Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Sierra, aka Naturally Nefertiti, coming to you with another video, baby. So this one's gonna be a quick one. So I've had these locks in, for 4 weeks as of today. And I'm so proud of myself for leaving them in this long because I am the queen of the switch up. Like, I like to change my hair so often, but since we've been in quarantine and doing this whole social distancing thing, I haven't had a reason to do anything to my hair. So this has been great. I've been able to keep these in for 4 weeks, and now it's time for me to take them out. But before I take them out, I wanted to show you guys how much new growth I have, number one. And number two, I wanted to tell you the pros and cons about this hairstyle. So first, let's get into this new growth. So you can see that, look at that new growth. And that's all new growth. So from like here to here, maybe like an inch. Nah, maybe like a 3/4 of an inch and a half inch, I don't know. But I got a lot of new growth, so I'm really happy about that. Yeah, like from here to here is all new growth. So this was a great protective style. So now let's just talk a little bit about the pros and cons. First, I'll start with the pros. Pros. Number one, this style is so natural looking. Like, I had so many people before we were quarantined that were like, oh my god, I love your locks, how long have you been growing them? And I was like, girl, these are crochet, get into it. So I just love how natural they look. They actually do look like locks to me. Second is longevity. You can keep these in for a while because the longer you keep them in, the more natural they look. So I mean, this is my hair with 4 weeks. All I need to do is, you know, put some mousse on my roots, tie it down for, you know, maybe 20 minutes, and then it'll be looking brand new. So I love that you can wear this style for a long time. Number three. Oh, this is a true protective style. So like, my hair is covered from root to tip. Like, my hair is wrapped up in here, so it's not exposed at all to like the weather, but I'm not going outside. It's not exposed to like friction from like my pillowcase. If I were to sleep without a bonnet or without a silk scarf, I don't do that, but if I were to. So my hair is completely wrapped up, so it's just wrapped up in that lock, you know, getting protected, being snuggled up, and my hair is just, you know, thriving underneath, hopefully. Oh, that's another pro. You can reuse the hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I take it out real quick, and then I'm gonna just be keeping these like in a bag, like in my closet or something, so I can reinstall them at a later date. So those are the pros. Now let's talk about the cons. The cons. This hair is so long, and it's not heavy, but it's long. So when I put my hair into a bun, the bun is like literally like this big, and that is heavy. So the only styles I can really do are like this middle part. I can do a side part, and then I'll do like a low pony. But besides that, it's like, it's too heavy to do any kind of updos because my hair will be like this and like wobbling. So I can't do any updos, so it's not really as versatile as other styles, or if it was shorter. Yeah, so that's kind of a bummer. What else? The tangles. I think the number one thing that like I hated about this style was the tangles. So this hair is like, you know, like naturally kinky. So just listen to this. Listen. You hear that? So they'll get like caught up on each other and like so tangly. So I'll like run my hands through them to like try to get the tangles out. But that's what I hate. Like, and it's not even like a bad thing, but I just don't like that. The other con is like, do you see how like some of these look like little candy canes? That's my natural hair peeking out. So for some reason, some of them, like my hair peeks out a little bit in between like where I wrapped it. So, but then you can see like with this one, let me find one that doesn't have that problem. Like this one, my hair isn't peeking out at all. You know what I mean? So just some of them. But yeah, I mean, again, it's not like terribly noticeable, but I've had these in for a while. So like this one, like look, like my natural hair has peeked out a little bit right there at the bottom. So I mean, all you have to do is just rewrap it, but that can be a little bit annoying. And then lastly, this hairstyle is expensive. So I use 6 packs of this hair, this Bobbi Boss New Locs, and my local beauty supply store, each pack was $8.50. So that's like $60. Somebody, you know, do the math. So yeah, this hairstyle cost me like $60. I mean, it's worth it because I do my own hair, and I kept it in for 4 weeks. So when you divide, you know, $60 by 4 weeks, I guess it's not that bad. But for people who don't do their own hair, so for you to have to buy the hair and pay someone to install it, that's expensive. When I can do some box braids, you know, get some box braid hair for like the real cheap hair, I can pay like $10 for like however many packs. So it's definitely more expensive than other protective styles. That's why I would encourage people to leave this in for a lot longer to get your money's worth. But yeah, that's all I can really think of. So besides those cons, I mean, the cons aren't enough for me to not wear. I definitely plan on wearing this hairstyle again. The next time I install them though, I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna wrap the hair with some passion twist hair, or like the silkier hair, like spring twist hair. Because I've seen some people do that on YouTube, and I like how it gives you kind of a more polished look, and I think that would help with the tangling and with your hair peeking out. So maybe I'll try that next time, and I'll do a video about how my updated install. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I take these out. Alright, so I'm gonna take this one out right in the front. So what I do is I kind of like unravel it a little bit, and then I see where my real hair is, and I pull my real hair out. So this is my real hair. I just slide it on out until I have all of my real hair out at the root. So I go to the root, same thing, just slide it out. So now this is my real hair, this is the lock. And remember, we crocheted these in, so there should be like a little knot up here somewhere. Yep, there it is. So I just stick my finger into that little knot, and then I pull out. So here's like the little knot right here. Can you see that? So I just stick my finger through, and then I can pull through my hair and pull through to the other side of the lock. And then you just slip it right out. So easy. So this is the lock. And like I said, I will be reusing this. So I'm just gonna, you know, put it in the plastic bag. Let's do that one more time. So here's my hair. Again, I'm gonna unravel like in the opposite direction to try to get my hair to peek out. That's my hair right there. And then I'm just gonna pull it out. And then I'm gonna keep doing that until I have it out at the root. There we go. So now I just find the little loop. Here it is. So here's a little loop right here. Stick my fingers through, and I grab the other side of the lock in my hair, and I pull it through. And then I just pull the lock right out. Look at that. So yeah, that's how I plan on taking out the hair. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you really like these locks and like the content that I created. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.